EV chargers are key assets, and the last thing you want is for your charger to go out of service, which is why it is crucial to stay on top of your charger's maintenance. But when is the right time to complete maintenance on your chargers? There is no single, easy answer to the question. However, there are a few ways to tell if your charging station requires maintenance or repairs. EV charging stations are vulnerable to external damages. Even if your chargers are not for public use, they are still vulnerable to damage from weather and climate, vandalism, and other factors. If damaged, you may find your chargers not working properly, so regular cleaning and inspection of external parts of the EV charging stations help determine if repairs are needed. Sometimes the need for repairs may not be so visible on chargers. Different level chargers operate at different voltages. If you're using your charging management solutions such as AssetWorks FuelFocusEV and see your charger's output is lower than its correlation average, your charger is likely in need of repair. Low voltage can lead to slow charging. However, other factors like weather can increase charging times. Therefore, it is worth checking if your charging station needs a repair if your EVs are charging slower than usual. Even if your charging station does not show signs of needing repair, it is a good idea to be proactive and get your EV charging stations maintained. Integrating asset management software into your charging solution is a great way to keep track of your charger's maintenance schedule and current status reports on how many chargers are in use, out of service, or broken. When using AssetWorks Enterprise Asset Management software, chargers can be analyzed by condition rating, asset age, inspection, and maintenance history, and also viewed on a map for a bird's-eye view of charging operations, altogether making it easier to stay on top of your charger's maintenance schedules.